We've got a game changer to share with you, intermittent fasting. We're not talking about another fad diet here, but a lifestyle shift with the power to transform your body and mind from the inside out. Think of it like this. Your body is a high-performance machine, but sometimes it gets bogged down processing food constantly. Intermittent fasting is like hitting the reset button, giving your system a break to repair, recharge, and optimize. Over the next few minutes, we'll delve into the incredible benefits of intermittent fasting, from boosting brain power and torching fat to strengthening your cells and increasing your lifespan. We'll uncover the science behind these transformations, and I'll equip you with the knowledge to make informed decisions about your health journey. Get ready to unlock a healthier, more vibrant you, because we're about to embark on a journey towards unlocking your full potential, one fast at a time. Let's get started. Let's talk about brain power. We all want that sharp focus and mental agility to power through our day, right? Well, intermittent fasting can be a key factor in achieving that. When you fast, your body goes through some incredible changes, including a surge in the production of a molecule called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. Think of BDNF as miracle grow for your brain cells. It helps them grow, strengthens connections, and improves overall cognitive function. It's like giving your brain an upgrade. And that's not all. Intermittent fasting also helps improve the production of new brain cells, a process called neurogenesis. This means that fasting can actually help your brain stay younger and sharper for longer. Remember those frustrating moments when you just can't seem to focus? Intermittent fasting can help with that too. By stabilizing your blood sugar levels and reducing brain fog, you'll find yourself thinking more clearly, remembering things more easily, and feeling mentally sharper than ever before. It's like unlocking a whole new level of mental performance. Now, let's talk about the big one: weight loss. Intermittent fasting has become incredibly popular for its effectiveness in shedding those extra pounds, and for good reason. But this isn't about deprivation or starving yourself. It's about understanding how intermittent fasting works with your body's natural fat-burning mechanisms. When you fast, your insulin levels drop, which signals to your body to start tapping into its fat stores for energy. Think of it like switching from burning sugar to burning fat as fuel. This metabolic switch is key to unlocking your body's fat-burning potential, but it doesn't stop there. Intermittent fasting also helps boost your metabolism by increasing the production of norepinephrine, a hormone that promotes fat breakdown. This means you're not only burning fat during your fasting window, but also increasing your body's ability to burn fat even when you're not fasting. It's a win-win situation. And here's the best part. Intermittent fasting doesn't just help you lose weight, it helps you keep it off in the long run. Let's talk about energy, the kind that gets you up and going, not the sugar rush and crash we're all too familiar with. You know, the kind of energy that lasts. That's what we're aiming for with intermittent fasting. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Fasting and energy? Don't you feel drained without constant snacking? And it's true, initially, there can be an adjustment period. But stick with me here. Once your body adapts to intermittent fasting, something amazing happens. It's like you've tapped into a hidden energy reserve. This isn't some magic trick, it's science. Fasting helps regulate your hormones, including insulin, which plays a huge role in your energy levels. By stabilizing your blood sugar, you avoid those energy spikes and crashes, leading to more sustained energy throughout the day. Our bodies are incredible machines, constantly working to repair and rejuvenate themselves. And one of the most fascinating processes involved in this renewal is called autophagy. Now, autophagy might sound a bit intimidating, but it's actually a pretty simple concept. Think of it as your body's built-in recycling and cleaning system. During autophagy, your cells get rid of damaged proteins and other cellular waste that can build up over time. This cellular debris can slow us down, contribute to aging, and even increase the risk of certain diseases. Here's where intermittent fasting comes in. It acts like a catalyst, boosting your body's natural autophagy processes. We often think of inflammation as a localized response to injury or infection, like a swollen ankle or a sore throat. But there's another type of inflammation, one that's often silent and invisible: chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation is like a low-grade fire smoldering within your body. It's linked to a wide array of health problems, including heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even Alzheimer's disease. Now, the good news is that lifestyle changes, including intermittent fasting, can help combat this silent threat. Fasting has been shown to significantly reduce markers of inflammation in the body, essentially turning down the heat on that internal fire. This reduction in inflammation can have a profound impact on your overall health, helping to protect your cells and tissues from damage. We've talked a lot about the amazing benefits of intermittent fasting, but this next one is crucial for a huge part of the population. Intermittent fasting has been gaining popularity for its numerous health benefits, and one of the most significant advantages is its impact on insulin sensitivity. This is especially important for those who are at risk of developing type 2 diabetes or are already managing the condition. We're talking about insulin sensitivity, a key factor in managing your blood sugar levels and preventing chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes. Insulin sensitivity refers to how effectively your body's cells respond to the hormone insulin. When your cells are sensitive to insulin, they can efficiently take in glucose from your bloodstream, which helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. Now, imagine your cells have little doors that open and close to let glucose, the sugar from your food, in to be used for energy. These doors are crucial for your body's energy production and overall metabolic health. When you consume food, especially carbohydrates, your body breaks it down into glucose, which then enters your bloodstream. Insulin is like the key that unlocks these doors. This hormone is produced by the pancreas and released into the bloodstream in response to rising blood glucose levels. Insulin binds to receptors on the surface of your cells, signaling them to open up and allow glucose to enter. This process is essential for providing your cells with the energy they need to function properly. When you eat, especially sugary or processed foods, your body releases a surge of insulin to deal with the incoming glucose. These foods cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels, prompting your pancreas to produce more insulin to help manage the excess glucose. While this is a normal response, frequent consumption of high sugar and high carb foods can lead to problems over time. Over time, if you're constantly flooding your system with insulin due to a diet high in refined carbs and sugars, your cells can become resistant. This means that your cells no longer respond to insulin as effectively, requiring more and more insulin to achieve the same effect. This condition is known as insulin resistance, and it can have serious health consequences. It's like the lock gets rusty from overuse, and the key, insulin, struggles to open the door effectively. When your cells become resistant to insulin, your pancreas has to work harder to produce more insulin to keep your blood sugar levels in check. This can lead to a vicious cycle where high insulin levels further contribute to insulin resistance. This insulin resistance is a major driver of weight gain and type 2 diabetes. When your cells are resistant to insulin, excess glucose remains in your bloodstream, which can be stored as fat. This not only contributes to weight gain, but also increases your risk of developing type 2 diabetes and other metabolic disorders. But the good news is, intermittent fasting can actually help improve your insulin sensitivity, making your cells more responsive to insulin and helping keep your blood sugar levels stable. How? Intermittent fasting involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, which can help regulate your body's insulin production and improve your metabolic health. Well, when you fast, you give your body a break from constantly producing insulin. During the fasting period, your insulin levels drop, allowing your cells to become more sensitive to the hormone. This can help reset your body's insulin response and improve your overall metabolic health. This break allows your cells to reset and become more sensitive to insulin again. By reducing the frequency of insulin spikes, intermittent fasting can help your cells regain their ability to respond to insulin effectively. This can lead to better blood sugar control and a reduced risk of developing insulin resistance. Think of it like giving your cells a chance to breathe and regain their strength. Just as taking a break from physical activity can help your muscles recover, giving your cells a break from constant insulin exposure can help them function more efficiently. This can have a positive impact on your overall health and well-being. It's like hitting the refresh button on your metabolic health. Intermittent fasting can help reset your body's insulin response, leading to improved insulin sensitivity and better blood sugar control. This can have far-reaching benefits for your overall health, including a reduced risk of developing type 2 diabetes and other metabolic disorders. This improved insulin sensitivity means your body can regulate blood sugar more effectively, reducing your risk of developing type 2 diabetes and other metabolic disorders. By incorporating intermittent fasting into your routine, you can take control of your metabolic health and enjoy the numerous benefits that come with improved insulin sensitivity. So, if you're looking for a way to boost your health and reduce your risk of chronic diseases, consider giving intermittent fasting a try. It could be the key to unlocking better health and well-being. We've explored some incredible benefits of intermittent fasting, from weight loss to improved mental clarity. But what if I told you this eating pattern could potentially extend your lifespan and help you live longer, healthier lives? It might sound like something out of a science fiction movie, but the link between intermittent fasting and longevity is becoming increasingly supported by scientific research. You see, aging is a complex process influenced by various factors, including cellular damage, inflammation, and the decline of essential bodily functions. However, research suggests that intermittent fasting may positively influence these aging pathways, potentially slowing down the aging process at its core. One key mechanism by which intermittent fasting might promote longevity is through its impact on cellular repair. Our cells are constantly working to repair damage and maintain their function. Intermittent fasting seems to enhance this natural repair process, allowing our cells to stay healthier and more resilient over time. It's like giving your body's internal repair crew the time and resources to do a deep clean and renovation, leading to healthier, more vibrant cells. And when our cells are functioning optimally, our bodies are better equipped to combat age-related decline and maintain overall health as we age. So there you have it, the 7 transformative benefits of intermittent fasting. From boosting brain power and torching fat to improving insulin sensitivity and potentially even extending your lifespan, this eating pattern has the power to revolutionize your health and well-being. Remember, intermittent fasting isn't about deprivation. It's about giving your body a break from constant digestion and allowing it to tap into its natural healing and rejuvenating abilities. It's about unlocking your body's full potential and experiencing the incredible benefits that come with it. If you're intrigued by the idea of intermittent fasting, I encourage you to do your research, talk to your doctor, and see if it's right for you. And for those of you who have already experienced the power of intermittent fasting, I'd love to hear your stories. Share your experiences in the comments below, and let's inspire each other on this journey to better health. Intermittent fasting is more than just a diet. It's a lifestyle shift that can lead to profound and lasting changes. So are you ready to unlock your potential?